I'm really tired of hoses that are heavy to drag around, that get kinked up, and that can't take pressure or they just break. So I'm going for this stainless steel hose to replace my old battered hose. Let's check this out. It comes with a spray nozzle, so that's great. Also heavy duty. And the hose itself is very lightweight. Look at the quality here. That is all metal, stainless steel. This is made to last. Okay, once you unhook it, this is a great hose. I can see already that it doesn't tangle. It just comes right apart, super easy. So it comes with this nozzle. Whether or not you want to use it, that's pretty great. Just twist right on. Good to go. Let's turn it on. This is really nice. It has a really long spray. I can completely control the spray. It goes a variety of ways. Let me show you. So there it is. It goes a really, really long way thanks to this. Or I can make it even go further. And then I can make it into more of a steam. And then of course I can just turn it off by twisting just a little more. Overall, I'm super impressed. Stainless steel, this is gonna last a long time. I can really use and abuse it. We can drive over this with our car on accident, of course, and it would be fine. And I really, really like this spray nozzle. I love the distance I get with it. I love the control. Total win.